Hi everyone! So today we're going to do the Municipal Natural Park Trail. It's pretty warm out today, but I'm a little bit bored, so I thought, hey, why not go for a walk? It's not a super long walk, so come on, let's go. It's actually very cute. Wow, it's so beautiful in here. Look at this tree, guys. Pretty cool. It's a very easy, smooth trail to follow. Look at this. It is so pretty out here. Even with the warm weather, it's like quite mild in here. It feels really nice. At about 500 meters into the walk, you come onto this Irene Pearce Trail, and we're gonna go in here. And it's like it looks like it's just a small little loop, and we're just gonna have a little peek. Come on. So one thing that I've noticed with this walk is that it's so quiet in here. Shh. You can't hear anything. There's barely any people. I think we only saw one lady. There's one car in the parking lot beside ours. And it is just so quiet and relaxing in here. I would recommend this walk to anybody that just wants to go for a nice quiet stroll without little kids running around parks and stuff. Big beautiful trees everywhere. It's so relaxing and quiet here. If you just wanted to come with like your husband or something and hold hands and go for a walk, this is the perfect place for that. I think we're the only people here. I love walking over bridges, don't you? So we're almost at the end of the walk. It's been awesome. It's so quiet in here. It's so relaxing. I absolutely love it. If you want to do a peaceful, short little walk, this is the one to do. And this is the end. So we're at 232nd Street and 4th Avenue. And we come to the end of the trail. Anyway, thanks for watching my videos, everyone. I hope you enjoy them, and I hope you come and watch my other ones.